DJI, a tech innovation leader, continues to surprise with its expertise in portable audio. After making a mark with its DJI Mic 1 and 2, the brand returns with an ultra-compact version, the DJI Mic Mini. This wireless microphone promises to revolutionize sound recording by combining professional audio quality, a miniaturized design, and an affordable price. With this product, DJI targets both beginner creators and professionals looking for a lightweight, high-performance, and easy-to-use audio solution. The DJI Mic Mini is not only an affordable alternative to its predecessors, but it is also a response to the growing expectations of vloggers, podcasters, and videographers who are always in search of compact and reliable equipment. Stay with us until the end to learn more, and be sure to check the link in the description to discover this product and perhaps buy it. From the moment you hold it, the DJI Mic Mini impresses with its design. The transmitters are incredibly lightweight, weighing only 10 grams each, making them almost invisible once attached to clothing. This compactness is a real advancement for those who film on the go or in contexts requiring discretion and mobility. Unlike its predecessors, the DJI Mic Mini adopts an even more streamlined design without a screen, but with solid materials that inspire confidence. The finish is impeccable and aligns with the high-end products of GE. The charging case is also designed for portable use. It allows you to store the transmitters, the receiver, and the accessories while protecting and charging them simultaneously. This compact case is easy to carry and fits perfectly in a bag or pocket, which is ideal for creators who are often on the go. However, miniaturization can pose some challenges. Adapters and windshields, for example, can sometimes be difficult to handle, especially for people with large hands or wearing gloves. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Mic Mini remains a model of ingenuity and practicality. The DJI Mic Mini is not just small, it also features advanced functionalities that place it among the best wireless microphones in its category. It offers impressive battery life, allowing each transmitter to operate for 11.5 hours continuously, while the charging case provides up to 48 hours of total battery life. This is a major advantage for extended shoots or outdoor reporting. Sound quality is also on point. Thanks to its various recording modes, the Mic Mini adapts to all situations. Whether you prefer recording in mono, stereo, or with a safety track at -6 dB, this microphone guarantees clear and balanced sound. The adjustable active noise reduction with 2 levels allows for capturing distinct voices even in noisy environments like a busy street or an outdoor event. The Mic Mini also excels in terms of range, capable of operating up to 400 meters in open environments. This distance, although rarely needed, demonstrates the stability and reliability of its wireless connection. Finally, its compatibility with Bluetooth 5.3 allows it to easily connect to a variety of devices, from smartphones to cameras to drones, without compromising transmission quality. In practice, the DJI Mic Mini proves to be a simple and intuitive tool. As soon as you take the transmitters and receivers out of their case, they pair automatically, eliminating the hassle of complicated setup. Whether recording with a smartphone, a camera, or even a drone, the transition between devices is smooth and quick. During tests, the Mic Mini demonstrated its ability to adapt to a variety of environments. Indoors, it effectively reduces background noise such as air conditioning or echoes, and outdoors, it remains effective even in windy conditions thanks to the provided windshields. The integration with the Jimimo app further simplifies its use, allowing users to manage audio levels, activate noise reduction, or synchronize recordings. However, certain limitations must be taken into account. For example, iPhone users will need to use a third-party app like Filmic Pro to fully utilize the Bluetooth microphone, as the native app is not compatible. This technical detail may be annoying, but it is largely offset by the overall versatility of the product. Compared to its big brother, the DJI Mic 2, the Mic Mini stands out for its lightweight and affordable price. Although it loses some advanced features such as internal storage and 32-bit float recording, it offers superior battery life and portability, 2 essential advantages for mobile creators. In terms of sound quality, the differences are minimal. The Mic 2 offers more sophisticated noise reduction, but the Mic Mini is still largely sufficient for most uses. Its compact and discreet design also makes it an ideal choice for vloggers or videographers who prioritize lightness and discretion. In summary, if you need an ultra-portable, easy-to-use, and high-performing microphone, the DJI Mic Mini is a must-have option. For more advanced needs, the DJI Mic 2 remains a solid alternative, but at a much higher price. The DJI Mic Mini embodies the perfect balance between simplicity, performance, and accessibility. Whether you are a beginner creator, a passionate vlogger, or a professional in search of a reliable wireless microphone, this product will meet your expectations. With its compactness, impressive battery life, and remarkable sound quality, it stands out as an ideal companion for all your audiovisual projects. And if this microphone interests you, feel free to check the link in the description for more information or to order it. Also, think about leaving a comment to share your impressions, liking the video if it was helpful, and of course subscribing so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Ciao ciao.